Hello everyone, this is Wei, and today we're going to talk about how to use OpenLive3D with OBS Studio to start becoming a VTuber. Right, so you might come across with OpenLive3D with a website, and with a website maybe you also download the app. Here we're going to show you how you can use OBS Studio to start combining that with OpenLive3D to start recording videos or start streaming. When you first open up OBS Studio, what you will see is not these two scenes. What you will see is an empty scene. So let's create one. First, we need to create an empty scene, call it Live3D. And good, when you first created a scene, what you will see is that nothing is there because the source is empty. So what you would need to do is that you would need to create a source to capture your OpenLive3D. What I'm going to show here is that I'm going to show you the app version, and then I'm going to show you how to use the OpenLive3D website version. So first, inside this capture, we need to select none of the above but this deprecated. Inside this deprecated, there is a window capture. Let's select that. And for window capture, we can just name it to whatever we like. And then inside this, we will want to select OpenLive3D, OpenLive3D. If you have the app version downloaded, right? So here I have the app version downloaded, so I can just select this. And of course, I have the OpenLive3D opened already, right? So I select this one and I click OK. And now you have the OpenLive3D app showing in your screen. You can start recording, you can start streaming even if you have that connected to your YouTube account or Twitch, of course. But one thing that you will notice is that the background is still green. We want to filter it out. And also, we don't want to show the control board here on the left. So what we will need to do is that we need to add a filter. We need to right click on our sources. Here is a filter. We need to add filter. So we know we want to add two different filters. One is the green screen filter, which is called chroma key. And then we want to crop this screen capture to not show the edge of it. So we need to add filter chroma key. By default, it will filter out green. So let's leave it be. We add another filter called crop. And for crop, we need to fine-tune it a little bit so that we can filter out the correct size from the edge. And let's see, maybe 100, 120, 20 is good. So yes, now after we filtered everything out, we got a transparent background currently. Nothing is behind it, so it's black. But of course, we can add another sources to play our games or to show different videos. And that is the app version. And for the website version, let me demo it. Let's first disable our app version. And then with our browser, we go into openlive3d.com. In openlive3d.com, it will load a default model. Let's change it to our own model. And after we change it to our own model, let it load a little bit. Now we have the website running as well. So for this website, what we want to do is that we want to capture that website that we just opened. One thing that I want to notice is that if you have a lot of tabs opened, be sure to drag your OpenLive3D into a new window, right? So now this OpenLive3D is in a new window. It will not conflict with other browser tab that you just opened. We can capture it. So for this OBS Studio, what we'll need to do is to add another deprecated window capture. Inside this window capture, 3D2, inside this window capture, we want to select Google Chrome, OpenLive3D.com. So Google Chrome, OpenLive3D.com is the one that we want to add. When you added it, it will be very huge. Let's fine tune it a little bit. Right, now we have it here. We also want to filter out the green background and also the edge. So that's right click, filter, add chroma key, sorry, wrong one. Add chroma key, yes. And then add the crop. Nice. So now we want to 100, not enough, 200. And let's also filter our right and bottom a little bit. And now everything is good. You have the website capture here as well. Play everything at background. You want to play games. You want to go to browser to see other stuff. You want to play videos. Everything can be added here in different kind of sources. If you cannot find it, in the deprecate, add window capture. You would like to define different theme here, like what I am doing. For example, I have a tutorial shot here, so that I can combine that with a PowerPoint and background. And also you can enable and disable different sources to do different fine-tuning control. I have depth theme, so that if I want to coding, I want to show people what I'm coding, I want to test different developer version, I will use the depth one. And here, Live3D is the theme that we just created. With this, we can start recording or we can go streaming right away. And that's it for the video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.